song is for you. It's Sarah's birthday, and she's turning 16, and it's gonna be a good birthday, because that's what television has told me through memes of shows like 16 Candles, even though that's a movie, and Glee, and Harry Potter, and various books, 'cause characters are always 16, and 16's gonna be full of drama. And if you have a Super 16, that's a really bad idea, so please don't have one, because they always turn out in disasters. That's what television has taught me, and it teaches me a lot of crap. But it's your birthday, and it's gonna be the greatest birthday, because I said so. And why would I ever lie to you? Have I ever lied to you? No, I haven't lied to you. So it will be the greatest birthday. Oh yeah, break it down now. Sarah's birthday is gonna be the best, 'cause I said so, and my name's Angel S. Oh yeah, listen to me. Sarah's birthday is gonna be a scream. Oh yeah, I just rhymed, and that is so great, 'cause I'm not good at rhyming. Oh yeah, happy birthday, Sarah, darling, 'cause I love you.